So welcome back to the channel, everybody. Oh, I am just riding around town doing not much of anything, trying to scrub in some brand new tires I got. Get the shiny stuff off of the tires. Feeling a little dizzy right now. So I'm just gonna scrub in the left side of my tires. Yeah. Yes I am. That's what I'm doing. I'm just scrubbing the left side of my tires. Just chill. After this we'll go to England, United Kingdom, Scotland. Maybe down there somewhere where we can scrub in the other side of my tires. So we're just gonna keep doing this a little bit. Just get the left side scrubbed in real good. Nobody was around. I go the wrong way. Scrubbed in the right side. I'm starting to get a little dizzy. This is slightly awkward. Okay. Just scrub my tires in. Nothing going on here, people. Just go about your business. Alright, yeah, get busy. Nice Mustang. Yeah, that looks safe. Should do it. That does look like fun. Oh shit balls. I think if I was on the left side of the lane, that lady wouldn't have seen me and would have kept pulling out. But since I was all the way on the outside, at least being in the left lane, I was in the portion of the left lane that was the most visible. She saw me hit the brakes. Fortunately I saw her. I think I would have been able to stop in time, except for maybe these brand new tires I'm trying to get scrubbed in. I don't know why some people are in such a damn hurry. What are you doing? This is the ugliest Jeeps Jeep has ever made. They should be ashamed to put the Jeep logo on these things. I mean, how? How do you go from legend to poser? Keep the rubber side down. And we'll see you in the next one. Oh, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give me the big thumbs up. And have a good day. Enjoy the beautiful weather. Fall is coming, and it makes me sad. And I was going to use this exit to scrub in the right side of my tire, but there's too many cars. We can get a little bit right here. We'll go straight, lean her over. There, a little scrub in there. Look at that Hummer. Need a ladder to get into